Hi guys, Boreda. My name is still Andrea, and I'm here today to do a bit of stretching and relax with you. So pop in your music if you rather, otherwise stick with my music and just copy me, follow, okay? So we're gonna start by bringing our neck to the side and stay. Change. Then we're gonna do a bit of rolls, starting over right, reverse, slow, and just try to find relaxation in it. Good. And we go from side to side. Don't forget to lift in one. Okay, then we're gonna do a bit of roll of our shoulders. And then we reverse. And we stretch an arm across our chest. And then the other arm. Then we grab the elbow and bring our arm behind us. And then swap. Again, you should never feel pain right now. You should just do as much as you need to feel a bit of a stretch and relax. Then we're gonna cross our legs, so right on top of our left, and we just go forward. Again, don't feel pain, just relax and try to have a gentle, soft stretch. Change. As you see, I'm literally not pushing anything, just relaxing it. Cool. Shake a bit. Then we bring them back in a front position. And again, try and go forward while trying to keep your back long, again without feeling any pain. And then you can allow your arms to go forward and have your fingers trying to go away from you. And recover. Okay. Now we're gonna go into a plank position. And we're gonna do a bit of back stretch right here. You hold it for a bit. Trying to keep your shoulders down, your elbows attached to your upper body. And go back on yourself. Then again, slide through the floor. Getting a stretch of your back. And again. Now let's go in this position while trying to keep your heels on the floor and your back as long as possible. And we go with our right leg forward and we just stay there for a bit. And again, a gentle stretch. You should feel no pain, but a gentle stretch. Then allow your knee to go on the floor, get back on yourself, do a bit of hamstring stretch. You can flex your foot, try to be as square as possible, then get back into this position, and go back to neutral. Then we bring our left leg forward, and we do the same. Then we allow our back knee to get on the floor, get back on yourself. Again, you can flex your foot, it's a little bit more of a stretch. We're going into another stretch. Stay there for a bit. Again, shoulders down. Get back on your heels. Then from there, go again into this position. Release your right leg and just stretch it out. Good. And recover. And just in here. Then we go back into our back stretch. Then get back on your heel. Back to this position, and we release our left leg now and try and give it a nice stretch. Cool. Recover. Down on your heel. Good. Now we're just gonna go on our back. Okay. Let's bring our right knee to our chest and just stay. And then you can close your eyes and relax. Then bring your knee across. Yes, I just popped. I don't know if you have the same effect, but the important is that you relax and you stretch this part. Good. Come back in here. Have 5 seconds or 10 seconds of stretch right here on the back of your knee. And bring your knee back and down. We grab our knee, our left knee, and we do the same. Bring it across. Expel the air while you go. Yeah, do never forget to breathe at any point. Come back. Grab your toes. Again, try to achieve this position while having both of your hips perfectly on the floor and square. This should feel on your back, on the back of your knees. Now let's just grab our toes again with a feeling of length but no pain. Try and touch your knees with your chest. Stay there for a bit. Again, remember, it's not about touching your knees with your nose, it's about being long. And recover, shake it out. And now just lay on your back. Open your arms. Let the gravity bring your hands, your arms, your upper body, your legs. Let the gravity attach your body to the floor. Close your eyes and just don't think about anything else other than your body. Just get a connection, just feel the back of your ears, feel the back of your knees, feel the end of your toes. Just try and feel while thinking about nothing. Just empty, blank, and just feel. Keep feeling the gravity, bringing your body closer to the floor. Allow the process. Allow your muscles as well to be grounded and relaxed. You can stay in this position as long as you want, and do really try and just take everything away and just feel. You can stay in this position as long as you want. I'm gonna stop it now, but you keep going as long as you need, just until you can feel your mind being completely empty other than the feelings you get from your body. And slowly open your eyes. Recover. And just get back to the world. I feel very relaxed right now. Yeah, shake it, acquire again the feeling of your body, and that was it. I hope that was of help, and I feel relaxed. I hope you'll feel relaxed as well. Thank you, and see you next time.